Every single day, in the misty Palani Hills of Tamil Nadu, a kitchen comes alive. The clatter of pans, the hiss of oil, the aroma of food. Here at Kodaikanal International School, over 1,200 plates are served each day across all meals for students and staff. But there's something else cooking here. Behind every meal, beyond every plate served, lies a hidden byproduct: used oil. Most kitchens see it as a problem. But what if we saw it as an opportunity? An opportunity not just to reduce waste, but to create something new, something meaningful, something lasting, something powerful, something that could even fuel the future. This is the story of how a simple question turned into an idea that just might change the way we think about energy.
Every year, our school kitchen discarded hundreds of liters of used cooking oil. At the same time, our campus heavily relies on the use of diesel generator to run water and to power our generators. So we ask ourselves one simple question: could one problem be the solution for the others?
And the question became our project. What if instead of wasting oil, we could convert it to biodiesel to power up our school, directly supporting the SDG 12, Sustainable Consumption and Production, and SDG 13, Climate Action.
That solution was biodiesel. From waste oil that once had no purpose emerged a clean, renewable fuel.
The process in making biodiesel is called gas esterification. Basically, we mix sodium hydroxide and methanol to create a catalyst.
We made a special solution using sodium hydroxide and the ethanol in order to be put into the oil. We used a heater to heat oil up till 60 degrees when the solution was put into it and stirred for the next 30 minutes in order to dissolve. After that, we left it to stand for 24 hours in order to all sediments to come down and pure oil to be there. And when we came back the next day, we saw that all sediments were on the bottom of the jar, but what was there is pure biodiesel. It was a hard, but at the same time wonderful process, after which we discovered something that can power up our school.
But creating biodiesel is only one part of the problem. Now we had to test it. Using a diesel pump in our school campus, we tested B5 and B10 blends of our biodiesel. We compared their efficiency to normal diesel. We found out that flow rate of normal diesel was the highest. Then we had B5 and B10 blend was the least efficient. Therefore, B5 blend with 5% of biodiesel and 95% of normal diesel was used for further examination. But we wanted to take this project beyond the lab, which is why we designed a biodiesel outreach program. Through this program, we introduced the concept of biodiesel to the younger students at our school and also to local community members. Through demonstrations, we explained them what biodiesel is, its environmental benefits, cost savings, and also invited them to ask questions about biodiesel. Our next step is to test our biodiesel blends further. We will now be testing it with different blends and different machines.
I'm grateful for what this group of students have achieved. They identified a problem, decided to do something about it, and eventually they were able to apply what they learned theoretically in the classrooms, something that was practical and usable. They created biodiesel, tested the calorific value with respect to petrol and kerosene and diesel. They blended it and also tested two different blends on an actual diesel pump. The results were spectacular, and this is soon going to be used at KIS, a shining example of what a student idea can do.
So in this age, we need climate action, and all these wonderful young adults are showing us how it's done. They're showing us how to take initiative, how to bring about change and contribute to the community they're part of. So good luck to them, and we have hope for the world.
Right here at Kodaikanal International School, what began as waste in a kitchen is now becoming energy for the future. This is more than recycling. It's reimagining, it's redefining, and it's just the beginning.